Question. Aiden's classroom rules.
I will listen to others when they are speaking. I will raise my hand to speak. I will what does this say?
I will sit properly
I will sit properly
on
the chair, carpet, and on my chair. I will keep my hands to myself. I will What does this mean?
tidy.
I will tidy up my belongings and this classroom. I will respect others properly, and
I will respect other people
and things. Can I see it?